Hello everyone, this is Rocket Jet Maycheck. How's it going? How's it going? So here's the deal. I can only record the street. I'm not allowed to record anything else. So got the leaf blower. So yeah, I'm using the phone stick. So hopefully it doesn't roll around too much. I hope there's a way to make this tighter. So if the phone falls, it's just really bad. I'm trying to get this right where I want it, but I don't want anybody getting mad at me. So, Margie! So, shit. Well, this is going to be a freaking earthquake. So, I hope you enjoy the earthquake ride. My camera doesn't readjust. This sucks. This is not working. Well, I suppose it's better than looking at the darn houses everywhere. Whoa, earthquake, earthquake. This is not working. Forget it. I'm taking it off the clamp and I'm aiming it at the street. I was trying to use this, but the darn thing is too darn loose. So I'm just going to do it this way. I don't have time to mess around. So no, the only things that you're going to see is you're going to see grass, a door. Stupid thing don't even work. Darn earthquake. I haven't been able to do any walks. See, my dad's making the cabinet. Let's focus now. Hope you enjoyed the little earthquake. It's shaky all over the place. So I don't want anybody thinking I'm recording their house or anything. I'm not. What do you see? People, tell me what you see, honestly. When you look at this video, what do you see? What do you see? You don't see me. You don't see a mailbox. You don't see... Oh, there's a car. But there's the sky. You can look at the sky. So the rules are, you can look at the road and the sky. If I happen to see a nice flower, I will show you a nice flower. But I got into big trouble from my neighbors. They got mad because I was showing cash money. And, well, you can see this. I'll show you the little stupid pile there. See the pile? You can look at that. So, but, yeah, I'm going to get in big trouble for showing the lawnmower. Watch out. I might get yelled at. So. But anyways, it is really hot out. But this will probably be the only videos you'll see when it comes to me going to work. It's just the lawnmower and my shoes and the road. Because I'm not going to be dealing with bullshit. So let me just give you some friendly advice. If somebody says to you, go ahead, you can record that, don't do it. Because it'll turn around and bite you in the ass. So don't do it. Alright, so you know where I'm heading. I don't have to show you. Same place, same location, same deal. But I hope you like the lawnmower. Hope you like the leaf blower. Hope you like the weed whacker. But that's it. So if you like this boring video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and keep on stomping. So, you know, big like, or don't like it. I don't care anymore. Do what you want. I'm hot. I'm frustrated. And that is it. And I'm still goofy. Regardless. Just want to beat the storm, okay? Alright, take care. That's it. I gotta cut this. Gotta weed whack all this out. Gonna cut all this down. As always. And probably in a week or so, I will be trimming all these things back. So, oh, I know you said. I know what I said. Well, let's go this way. See, I'm going to cut all this back. Not today, but they'll let me know. And then obviously the backyard. So, but that's it. Got all this to cut. Got the shoes. Check out the laces. That's what makes the shoes cool, is the laces. So, all right, thank you. Goodbye. Talk to you later. See you in the next boring upload.